Hey everybody, this is Sasha with Goalie. In today's product review, I'm gonna be looking at this little guy right here. This is the Jiobit. It's designed to track you, your kids, your dogs, your pets, your lovers, anything you need to track. You attach this and it'll show you on your phone where they're located. Jiobit at the time of this recording cost $150 and 16 bucks a month. But if you pay for the whole year, it's only $8 a month. You might know me as the CEO of Goalie, company that makes cool tablets for kids. But if you've watched enough of these videos, you might just know me as the guy who reviews products. I love apps and products for kids, educational tech, and we did a review of a product called AngelSense, which is designed to help kids who are eloping from getting lost, or seniors too. Now, their mortal competitor, or we don't know, maybe they're friends, is Jiobit. So in this video, I'm gonna review Jiobit and tell you what I think. Before I tell you what I think about Jiobit, I'm gonna tell you what I think about Goalie. You should check us out. If your kids are looking for visual schedules, helping stay on track, maybe they're a little addicted to the iPad, but they still need something to help them stay organized. Check out Goalie for executive functioning, emotional regulation, and a lot of other things that help keep your kids on track. That's getgoalie.com. When AirTags came out, I think there was some speculation that they were gonna take out all these companies like Jiobit and AngelSense. And the truth is, maybe they do eat into their market share a little bit, but these guys offer way more functionality than Apple does. So if tracking something or someone is really important to you, this is probably gonna be an investment that you wanna make. First thing I'm gonna point out and give really big props to the Jiobit team is from a physical product standpoint, this is nice, it's sexy, it feels high-end. This box is smooth. I like how they kind of made it like a crop top, right? It doesn't really go all the way down. I think that's cool. When I unboxed it, it just felt really professional. Props to the Jiobit team. From one hardware company to another, we respect the work that you guys put into this. This is cool. This company isn't just like repurposing off-the-shelf hardware. They're making their own stuff, like adapters and chargers and ways to secure it to a body. So I'm really impressed by the amount of work that's gone into this. This is no simple feat. So for those of you thinking, oh, I'll just get an AirTag, know that these people have put a lot of thought into this. This isn't just like a knockoff AirTag or something. It's maybe the other way around, right? The AirTag might be the cheap knockoff of this. All right, we've yapped enough about the product. Let's go see how it performs in the field. You know, I'll give these guys props. The AngelSense was a bit bulkier. This is a slimmer product. So if you're gonna hide this in kids' clothing, I think some kids might not notice, right? If I like really clip this into a small pocket.
You're supposed to have the leash backpack go something a little bit more.
This is a lot tighter than the leash backpack. You heard it here. Zach set the geofence for home, which is our like home office studio, and I'm gonna run away. Let's see what happens. Will you take this?
This is the police. We have you surrounded.
The Jiobit alert didn't really work the way I thought it would, but I get it. You have to hit the live button so it doesn't use up the battery of the device. Otherwise, it's gonna ping like every 15 minutes. I'm sure at some point it would have told me I'm out of the range, but not right away. All right, there's a feature on here that rings the device. So I'm gonna hit ring, and I wanna see how long is the delay. Wow, that was like pretty much instantaneous. I'm gonna do it one more time. Oh, I think it gives me a 30-second, no. All right, so that time it took a couple seconds longer, but still like a really short delay. I'm very impressed by this. Keep in mind that when you're paying the subscription fee with these guys, you're also paying for like a T-Mobile connection. They are using a telecom carrier to send signals over cellular networks. So something for you to consider is that if you live in a totally rural area and maybe you have bad cell phone connections, you might have some trouble with this. You may want to test it first, or at least contact the company to see do they have good coverage in your area. And by the way, they've got a 30-day return policy, so I guess you could just test it and there's not really much risk. As I walk around with this thing, I'm just so impressed by the extra effort they put into the hardware. This is a really sleek piece of technology. Now, one thing I realized is that they have a separation alarm. So it's looking to see how far I am from my phone. Now, since I'm both the person being tracked and I have my phone, the separation alarm was a little unintuitive to test, but now I get it, and it works. There's a really cool feature called timeline. So it shows you where the Jiobit has been. I'm walking around the block right now, and I'm gonna see how accurately does it track where I'm going. Okay, we're back in the alley where we tested AngelSense. You could tell by the trash bins here. Same alley, we're very consistent, methodical about our product reviews. The timeline feature looks about the same with AngelSense. It shows me where I was to about the same accuracy as AngelSense. I think to the accuracy of any device with a GPS, really. Hey, what do you think this red SOS button does? Well, let's find out. Notify care team, slide to activate. Oh, that's cool. Oh, emergency dispatcher, holy crap. Uh-oh. From Noonlight? No. Cancel. All right. Something drastic happens when I hit SOS. I'm gonna check on their website, you should too, but it looks like a real person is gonna look and see where was this device last located, potentially call an emergency responder. I guess that's why that button's red. All right, so we spent some time with this thing and it's cool. I think this product does compete with AngelSense. Now, the biggest difference you're gonna find is price. And you're gonna find, well, why is AngelSense nearly double the cost of this, right? So from $16 a month per year to almost $40 a month per year at this moment on AngelSense? And the answer is voice calling. AngelSense's connection includes voice calling, so you can use it like a two-way radio. Kids can call for help, or they can call you, and vice versa. You could say, hey, where are you? With this device, you can't, but you can still track them. Scale of 1 to 5 penguins, I'm giving this thing 5 penguins. This is a great product. It's a premium version of what is an Apple AirTag, or I'm sure Samsung makes a similar product, and it's not quite as feature-rich as AngelSense, but not everybody needs those features. So this is a great compromise in between of what a lot of people could use.